Hello students, welcome again. This is Bandita. Today we are going to learn about the revolution of the earth. Those who have not seen my previous video about rotation of the earth, you can check that link in the description. You must have felt that in the month of April to June, it is very hot and also you get your vacation in these days. In the month of December to January, we feel very cold, so we wear woolen clothes in these days. There are some other days like in September to November and in February to March. These days are so pleasant and the weather is moderate, that is neither very hot nor very cold. What does exactly happen to this weather? Why it is always changing? It is because of the changing in seasons. But how and why these seasons are changing? To know more about seasons, let's take one example. It is very cold outside, so Tom comes and sits near the fire. After sitting sometimes, he will feel very hot. Now see, Ben, who is far away from the fire, is feeling very cold. Now you can see that who is very close to fire is feeling very hot, while other who is away from fire is feeling very cold. Same things happens to our planet Earth also. We all know that sun gives us light and heat, and our planet Earth always revolves around the sun. So the parts of the earth which is very close to the sun have summer season and the parts away from the sun have winter. When we talk about the earth, it is always moving around the sun. This movement of the earth is called revolution. Earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution. Look at the earth, it is moving around the sun, but it is not straight. The axis of the earth is 23.5 degree tilted from the vertical line. And this axis plays an important role for different seasons. Let's see how. When the earth revolves around the sun, the position of the earth will change in different months. When the earth is in this position, you can see that the north pole is tilted towards the sun and the northern hemisphere is getting more sunlight than southern hemisphere. So, northern hemisphere has summer season as it is close to the sun, while southern hemisphere has winter season because it is away from the sun. Again, the earth moves and the position of the earth will change to here. Now you see that south pole is towards the sun and the north pole is away from the sun. When earth is in this position, the southern hemisphere is getting more sunlight as it is close to the sun. So, southern hemisphere has summer season and the northern hemisphere is getting less sunlight and it has winter season. When we talk about these two positions of the earth, here you can see that both the hemispheres are getting equal amount of sunlight. So, autumn and spring seasons are very warm, cool and pleasant seasons. Our country India is in northern hemisphere and Australia is in southern hemisphere. So, when India has summer, Australia has winter season. When we celebrate Christmas in India, it is winter season, while in Australia it is summer season. This is for today. See you in our next class with new topics. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.